Every year, from the Poya Day in December to the Vesak Poya in May, a path of light is drawn across the heart of Sri Lanka. It leads to the peak known as Sri Pada, Adam's Peak. For centuries, this pilgrimage, the Siri Pa Karuna, has called out to millions. Tonight, it calls to one young pilgrim, ready to begin his climb.
The air in Nalathania is cool and thick with expectation. This is where the ordinary world ends and the ascent begins. The peak is visible, a distant, impossible challenge. Right now, it's just a mountain. Soon, it will become a mirror. But the path is not lonely. It is sustained by humanity. The wayside Kade offers a sanctuary, a glass of piping hot tea, shared warmth, and the brief camaraderie of fellow climbers. It is here, in the glow of a small bulb, that you find the strength to face the cold darkness again. Look back. Below us, the path is a shimmering, glowing line, a celestial river of lights tracing the mountainside. It is a stunning visual metaphor for the journey itself, long, arduous, yet beautifully illuminated by hope and faith. We